Hi friends, welcome back to Christian's Crafty Adventures. So I am back because I wanted to give you guys an update on my No Paper Left Behind challenge. I am using Jen Hadfield's collection called Hey Hello, and I wanted to give you an update. So let's start. I've made some embellishments. Let me move this real quick. I made some embellishments and I wanted to show you. Maybe it inspires you to use your scrap stash today, your old dies that you've had laying around for years, your stuff that you have that's been there a while. So what I did for this first embellishment, I layered this butterfly and I used an old Stampin' Up die. And this is like a butterfly and I just layered it like this, as you can see, and then I used the hedgehog that I've been cutting up. So I thought that would be super cute. And then some of them I left without a sentiment, so we can put the sentiment together. I thought this would be super cute. As you can see, it's just simply layered, and I put like a vellum in here just to calm this print down, and I thought that would be super cute. And this is another cut apart from the paper collection, and so I have a stash of sentiments that I keep in my table that's ready to go, and so I always use them when I'm trying to embellish. Isn't that cute? Wander and explore. And this is from an older collection that I played with in another No Paper Left Behind month. So yeah, what I do is I just make a boatload of embellishments. Normally I cut this up from collections and I just put it right here. And this is ready with adhesive like a foam. And I have another one that doesn't have a foam yet. So I thought this is super cute. This one says, I am loving life. As you can see, it coordinates very, very well with the collection. And I thought that was absolutely adorable. And, it's so cute. So we're just going to be putting a tiny little bit of sentiment for this hedgehog. So cute. And you can personalize it. You can absolutely do whatever you like. So I'm just getting some embellishments from some, not embellishments, but sentiments. And so we're done from this sentiment pile, and it's ready. So you can see these are the butterfly. I love the layers, and you can easily make this for your Maggie Holmes paper. That would be so adorable. And this is inspired by KG Crafts from Instagram, and she posted this that I saw today, and I was thinking, oh my gosh, that's a great idea, because I have that die from Stampin' Up from years and years ago that I have not used. So I just made 5 butterfly embellishments using this collection. So I thought that would be super cute, and we're gonna put that aside. The next one is a die from Tim Holtz, a Big's die, and you know me, I love coffee cups. So it was simple. I just cut the coffee cup, used the fussy cut flowers from the collection, and put a sentiment on it. And I thought that was super cute and simple, super easy to make. And this one has a different, this one I use a mason jar lid and I just cut it up. I didn't like it very much, but I thought I didn't want to change it. I love the stripes and I love the adventure awaits sentiment. I thought that was super cute. So just imagine this on a bag topper, or pretty much like a sentiment, an embellishment, anything on top of a card. Here's another cute one, and this is just a sticker, and then I remove the adhesive, and then I put a foam tape that's coming from the dollar store. Super simple, super easy to make, guys. And then here's another one. This is the back part. And then just put an image and the sentiment and called it good. So that's 4 of that. Also, I tried to make shakers. I'm not very good with shakers, you guys know that. So I tried to make a shaker. So I stitched this up, and then I just put some stickers on here, and then this one is another sticker from the pack. I removed the adhesive and then put a foam dot. And then this one I stitched, and as you can see, there's sequins on the inside. And I thought this was so cute. And then here's another version of it. I didn't put the shaker on the inside just yet. I thought this would be so cute to have a gift card inside. So that opens up an option. This one is an undecorated one that I'm going to give to a crafty friend so he or she can decorate it themselves. So that's the mason jar. And I made more banners, and again, this banner is inspired by Crafting with Liller. She is a very inspiring paper artist here on YouTube. So I just stitched it, added some stickers, and then added a sentiment on top. So simple and easy. Here's another one. So cute. And then I just... This is a cut apart, the square cut apart from the paper collection, and then the mascot hedgehog right there. So easy. And this is the same exact thing, only I just layered more scraps on here compared to the other one. I didn't make a lot of the varieties. I just made like a couple, several of them. And I really wanted to share this with you guys. Hopefully it inspires you. Since most of us has a little bit more time than normal, hopefully it inspires you to use your scrap stash. This one you just cut right here and then you're done. You just put a toothpick. Super easy. So yes, that's that. The next one is a die that I have not used since I got it, and this is the telephone die. This is the vintage die. And so it took me a while to kind of figure out what to do with them. So this one is the plainest one. I just put a round punched circle just to cover the area, and then I put the phone dials. So this is what a phone used to look like for the people that are super young and didn't get to experience these kind of roll. I don't know what it's called, but you know, we had this phone when I was younger. Super cute. And this one I embellished a little bit more. I thought it was so cute. I love the embellishment. I love the colors, and I love the sentiment as well. And this one I did not like very much because I thought it was a little bit too busy, but I tried to really do my best to give it a little bit of oomph right there. So the next one is a clock. I used a clock die from Tim Holtz, and so I just layered it right here and put these strips and put it all together, and then put a sentiment and called it good. I thought this is so cute. It packs a big punch. It's so pretty. I hope you guys like that. I only made a couple. This one does not have a medallion with it, just a simple clock, old school alarm clock. But it's still very cute, very recognizable. And this one also has a medallion right there, like the ribbon of the medallion. And then I just put a simple sentiment right there. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I only made one paper clip. Just one right there, and I used some scraps and a sentiment. I thought that was super cute. If you add it to your planner, it's gonna look like that. Wouldn't that be so cute in your planner? Definitely super cute. And then this one is second to the last. These are some scalloped envelopes, and this die came from Stampin' Up! Maybe about 10 years ago. So you may find it in eBay. It's a scallop envelope die. But I thought this is so cute. You just layer with your strips. That's your scraps. And then put an image right there. I did the same exact thing right here. Super simple to do, guys. And all you need are scraps. And then this one is my favorite of all. That's why I made a lot of them. I love cups, coffee cups. You guys know that. And so I made a boatload of this. I used a Sizzix die from Tim Holtz, and I have it here on my table, so I'm going to show you. And the item number is 66023. And these are the images that it will cut for you. And this is the idea on top of the packaging. And so the first one, I just layered my fussy cut flowers, and then I put a saucer and put a sentiment and called it good. So that's that. Next one is I layered 2 cups and put some flowers on top. I thought this could just handle a card, you know, just a simple card. Let's say a blank piece of card. Let's say this is your card, right? You just put it on top and use a foam dot in the back, and that's it. You can send this to your friend. It's already perfect, right? Super cute, layered and ready to go. This one is another one. I love this blueprint with gold dots, seriously, and the hedgehog makes it so cute and super relatable. That's what it looks like with a green card. I'm sure it's gonna look so much better if it was like light pink or something, or black. Let's try black. I have black here on my table. And look, doesn't that look so pretty? It looks so much better with a black card or a lighter card maybe. So cute. Absolutely super inspiring. So cute, right? Easy to do. Just layer it up. Switch your glue gun on. I have my glue gun on when I start. That's the first thing I do when I'm trying to scrapbook or make something. That's the first thing I do. Switch it on so it's ready when I'm ready. I made a lot. I'm probably gonna give away some of these. So cute. I love that the hedgehog is inside the cup with the flowers. Isn't that so cute? And then it's smiling so cute. And then the saucer is gold, which is fab. And then this one is way over the top. This is like a cup that is insane with a boatload of flowers in a very colorful cup. So that's why I used a yellow saucer to kind of calm it down a little bit. And then this one is very pretty. It says, "Here we go." So cute, so dainty, very pretty. And then this one is the last one, and it says, "Just have fun." And we got 2 friends right here sitting inside the cup. So cute. And then I want to show you guys, remember when I was planning for this no paper left behind, I said I'm gonna make memory decks. So here's my take on some memory decks cards. Let me show you. Alright guys, this is my Heidi Swap Rolodex that I got from scrapbook.com. And this is one of my first few tries to make a memory decks card. So what I did, I just did it on a regular basis, like I was making an embellishment, and then I used this Heidi Swap Rolodex punch. And this is amazing because you can turn anything into a memory decks card, absolutely anything. So this is a sample that I used. This is from my previous video. I thought I could try to see if it works, and then it did work. I thought that was so cute as a memory decks card. I don't want to show you way too much of a mess, but that's what it looks like in a memory decks holder. So it did work. So what I did was I made a memory decks using this collection. So yes, check on the memory decks, and this one is from my previous video. I wanted to test it out, and this is just a plain cup. I wanted to see if the size of the cup would still work, and it does work. So that's a sample. Here's an envelope sample to see if it works with the envelope. So I'm trying different sizes because this one is the only size that it can accommodate. So probably this is the diameter or the length of a maximum that you can hold. So that's another one from my previous video. This is a new one. This is a mason jar memory decks card. And then I stitch it right there. And then I closed it with a lid right there, the mason jar lid. And then just put happy birthday. I thought it turned out really cute. So you can turn anything into a memory decks. Any stamp, any die, any kind of die you can use, and then just use your punch. Here's a simple tag. Look, you can turn it into a memory decks, like super amazing. So I thought I wanted to share with you guys how it turned out, how my first attempts using and making memory decks cards turned out to be. Anyway guys, I hope this video inspires you to use your scrap stash today. Just take a look at the dies that you have. It may spark some inspiration in you, just in case. And I hope you stay safe, guys. Stay safe, stay strong. Take care and have a wonderful crafty day. I would love it if you can subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000. So please click that subscribe button. I really want to do some YouTube live videos, and I still can't because I don't have enough subscribers. So if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm able to do that and I can interact with my audience, and that was my dream. I wanted to hit 1,000. So I hope you can help me with that dream, guys. Click the subscribe button. That would be so wonderful, and I would absolutely appreciate it. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Please take care, and this is Christian signing off. Bye!